Welcome, adventurers, to a journey through the fascinating world of mathematics. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of the Pythagorean Theorem, a mathematical marvel that unlocks mysteries in shapes and spaces. But first, let's meet the ancient Greek mathematician who paved the way for this incredible discovery. Meet Pythagoras, a brilliant thinker from ancient Greece. He uncovered a remarkable relationship that forever changed the way we understand triangles. What exactly is the Pythagorean theorem and how does it work? Let's dive deeper into this fundamental principle of geometry. In a right angled triangle, one of the angles must measure 90 degrees, forming a perfect square corner. The side opposite this right angle is called as the hypotenuse, while the other two sides are often known as the legs of the triangle. Now, the Pythagorean theorem states that in any right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, denoted as c in this case, is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides, denoted as a and b. In simpler terms, if we square the length of each leg of the triangle and add them together, it will always equal to the square of the length of the hypotenuse. This relationship holds true for all right-angled triangles, regardless of their size or shape. It's a powerful tool that allows us to solve for unknown side lengths and understand the relationships between sides of a triangle. Let's suppose we have a right triangle with one leg measuring 3 units and the other leg measuring 4 units. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we can find the length of the hypotenuse. So, by plugging the values into the formula, 3 to the power of 2 plus 4 to the power of 2 equals c to the power of 2, and we find that the hypotenuse is 5 units long. This relationship between the sides of a right triangle is not just a mathematical curiosity, it has practical applications in various fields, from architecture and engineering to navigation and even art. By understanding and applying Pythagorean theorem, we can solve real-world problems and unlock new possibilities in our exploration of geometry and mathematics. Let's delve into another real-life problem where the Pythagorean theorem proves its usefulness. Imagine you're planning to build a treehouse in your backyard. How can you determine the length of the ladder needed to reach your lofty highway? So, you know the height of the treehouse is 12 feet above the ground. And the base of the ladder, which is the distance from the bottom of the ladder to the tree trunk, is 5 feet. But how long should a ladder be? To solve this problem, we'll turn to our trusty friend, the Pythagorean theorem. Remember, in a right angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, which is the ladder, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Let's plug in the known values: the height of the tree house, which is 12 feet, and the base of the ladder, which is 5 feet. By rearranging the equation and solving for c, which is the length of the ladder, we find that the ladder should be 13 feet. And there you have it, a practical application of the Pythagorean theorem helping you reach new heights, quite literally. Now, let's put our newfound knowledge to the test with a problem solving challenge. Here's a puzzle for you. If one side of a right angle triangle measures 5 units and the other side measures 12 units, what is the length of the hypotenuse? Take a moment to solve it, and then we'll reveal the answer together. So, there you have it, the Pythagorean theorem in all its glory. From its ancient origins to its practical applications in our everyday lives, the Pythagorean theorem continues to shape the way we understand geometry. Thank you for joining us on this mathematical adventure. Remember, math is not just a subject in school, it's a powerful tool that helps us unlock the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.